DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot at selector.
Gang. Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. This building. You see me? Yeah, man, we have another bad reaction to that mafia. You see me? Yeah, we're all militant. You see me? We have another reaction. You see what we are doing today? Yeah, man, from the type over there, Mr. dwelling at the darkness. Yeah, darkness for months, years, and decades. Don't know where I deal with. Yeah, man, they are none other than Kraff. Yeah, man, the one I name 100 Watt. It's the official music. Bro, I just reacted to 100 Watt, the visualizer the other day, and this nigga just dropped the fucking official music video, dog. I'm like, damn, if I had known, I wouldn't drop this shit. But hey, we're here now, gang. See me, I check it out, see what dog I deal with. I hopefully enjoy some good music, don't it? Yeah, man, we're not going to vibe much longer. Kraff, 100 Watt. Let's get it, gang. Man. I will ever watch Nacho Libre. Dog like one of the characters with a Nacho Libre, dog. You know, the moms them is out. Come on. I like a blood clean thing there, the woman at the door I collect a blood clean fees look like. I like how she look, you know. Oh. Bunks, you know.
And me sell a coffee light for a bunks night dark. Shotty rum ram, fuck up and pot. Quad pan quad, we a fuck up and quad. If you ramp with the synergy, they make it pan clad. Travel with a duffel bag, no one ever.
Quad pan quad, we a fuck up and pot. If you ramp with the synergy, and then we make it gun clad. Yeah, man, here, man. Come in now, man. This is a vibe. This is definitely a club tune.
Up and quad, if you ramp with the synergy, they make it pan clad. Travel with a bag, no one ever bank yard. Bad bitch pop pill down south one gap. Junk your fuck away the Benz Cooper. Me a drift, she a gaggle to side and die. Drink and walk for the
easy. Kraff, where I deal with G. Come here.
Bad bitch pop pill down south one gap. Junk your fuck away the Benz Cooper. Me a drift, she a gaggle to side and die. Drink and walk for the earth. Tennessee and me live a church, it pass the perks. Yeah. Christian Philly cocker up now the church.
Say Christian. The man say Hennessy and me live a nigga pass the perks. Christian Philly want go.
Cocker up now the church.
Now the church.
Papa my shirt. If a bitch can't twerk, spider call the earth. Sick in a me head, this in a fuck all.
Bitch can't twerk, spider call the earth. Yeah, man. Body weak, man. Yeah, man. Body weak, man. Mama in the chunk.
Can't twerk, spider call the earth. Sick in a me head, this in a fuck all the nurse. Mama bump and cocky chain, get no reverse.
Sick in a me head, this in a fuck all the nurse. Everybody different, you know. Yeah, man, everybody different, man. Come here, man.
If a bitch can't twerk, spider call the earth. Sick in a me head, this in a fuck all the nurse. Mama bump and cocky chain, get no reverse. Myself a bump. No sing like Alicia Keys. Alicia, mama sing like Alicia Keys.
Easy now, man. Kraff. Dog got to do this. Dog got this Spanish thing going on. You know what I'm saying?
Alicia, mama sing like Alicia Keys. Alicia, sing like Alicia Keys.
Oh, Alicia Keys, bro. This whole fucking time, I've been trying to realize what this nigga is saying. You want to say Alicia Keys? Alicia, that's what it was. Alicia Keys. Okay, Kraff. All right, BG, go on.
Alicia Keys. Me say me like half a light, we a bunks like that. Shot rum round, fuck up and pot. Quad pan quad, we a fuck up and quad. If you ramp with this synergy, they make it pan clad. Travel with a duffel bag, no one ever bank yard. Bad bitch pop.
Definitely is a club vibe, man. Club bang in this a play, man. Everybody have to move when this a play in a club, man. I'm here.
Still down south one gag. Junk your fuck away the Benz Cooper. Me a drift, she a gaggle to side pan time. In I dance, back a pretty puta. I roll tight so she not feel jaw.
Mama shake no ass, man. So me see like the girl might love with the girl, but shake like a red quick, you know, man.
Town wild so she leave you drop. She says in a place take your boots off. Kai kum, yeah, so me shoot off.
Ah, she said, Sinner, please, can you take the boot? 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎�. Oh, my shit, like a mama, jello.
With her wild, so she leave you just. She says, Sinner, please take your boots off. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎�, yeah, so me shout off. Fuck her out, she has me too dark. Go on your knees, go on you, go on you.
Yeah, man. Kraff, this a vibe. Video body like a walk. Girl, them are going crazy. Energy today. This definitely gonna be a banger in the club, bro.
Like Alicia Keys.
Alicia Keys.
Make you sing like Alicia Keys. Alicia, make you sing like Alicia Keys. Alicia, make you sing like
Alicia Keys.
Alicia Keys. Alicia, me say me like I be like you, I'm style that. Shut you around, go pump part. God pump cut, you fuck pump
part. Yeah.
I just around for the teen, I just make it pan class. Shabby need a duffel bag, no I never bank
card. Shabby with a duffel bag, no I never bank card.
Pop peel down so twanka. Chunk your fuck away, Benz cool pop me.
Ah, pop peel down so
Chunk your fuck away, Benz cool pop me. Drift she a goggle toes, I pan dar.
Drift she a goggle toes, I pan it.
Blood clot.
Shane creative, Shane, big up Shane, bro, nigga, you be working, nigga. Do you even sleep, my G? Jeez, every song me see your name upon it, bro. Big up yourself. I'm to King Camp.
From this day forth.
Oh, go on.
You believe in me?
Easy, no? Kraff, DJ Mac. You see me big up on the damn self. 100 what? Yeah, man, people make just, no joke. Just react to the visualizer in the dark and the man I drop it like what, a couple weeks ago. The man just drop it official video. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, me just drop it what the man. Now, I'm going to drop the official video for now. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, but yeah, vibes. You got him official drop the official video. Official video is, man, song bad. So I definitely needed a video. You see me, I say? I wonder why dog drop this and never drop no video with it. But hey, I guess this is the official drop now. It's here now. People gonna love it. People been talking about it on social media, so people really like the song and gravitate to it. So yeah, man. Big up Kraff. Drop in the comments. You see me, I say? Drop your request. If you like it, definitely show the artist all of support. Let me know what's your favorite part. Beats, lyric, melody. You already know what time it is. Visuals, all that good stuff, you know? Let's talk about Kraff. It's really solidifying himself in dancehall. You see me? Check the comments. A lot of people like, yo, them love Kraff. They love his style. All that. Nigga never sing a song when not hit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So big up Kraff, go and do your thing, gang. You already know what time it is. Drop your request, you can get your shout out. Let's chop it up, man. Let's have a discussion going in the comment section. You already know what time it is, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.